As Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, said, you are what you eat. And if you want to be healthy, you should eat healthy. In this case, you should drink healthy. Hi Face Yogis, how are you today? This is Maria Pamboukidi. I am a certified Face Yoga Method coach, part of the Face Yoga Method coaching team, and a moderator of our Face Yoga community on Facebook. Today, I would like to show you how I make my favorite green juice and why green juices are good for you. If you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to hit subscribe below. Green juices are one of my passions. I love vegetables, I try to have a healthy lifestyle, and I strongly believe that beauty and well-being start from within. One of the reasons I love making green juices is that I get lots of fresh, organic greens and fruits and everything from my father's vegetable garden. Especially during winter, he produces lettuce, broccoli, spinach, celery, everything. So making fresh green juices every day is the best way to use his produce. Now, let me show you what I do every day. After I choose what vegetables I will use, I wash them very well, and then I leave them for 10 minutes in a big bowl with water and some vinegar to sanitize them. Right here. I use mainly vegetables and only one type of fruit. Fruits are high in sugar. They are healthy, but they do also have plenty of sugar in them, and that's why they are yummy. And that's why I try to use only one type of fruit in my juice every day. For this juice today, I'm using 2 types of lettuce. I'm using spinach, cucumber, some parsley, some celery, some lemon, and just a little bit of ginger. I use this kind of slow juicer. It's a cold press slow juicer, which is a bit slow, but it is healthier. You do not lose all the good nutrients and the vitamins with this type of juicer. So we are going to start nice and easy, little by little. So let's start. I think this is going to be the healthiest, most tasteful green moustache you could ever have. Cheers! Wow, I really love it. If you are a beginner and think that you are not going to like this taste, use more apples, just for the beginning, to get used to the taste. Thank you for watching this video. You can continue your Face Yoga Method journey with a free Face Yoga routine. You can click the link in the description and download your freebie routine now. Have a great green day ahead, Face Yogis. Bye-bye.